In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Apple gift card on Clash of Clans. If you've just received an Apple gift card and you're eager to use it for some in-game purchases, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, making sure you can easily and successfully redeem that card for some awesome gaming benefits. First, you'll want to open your App Store app. It's that familiar blue icon with the letter A made of pencils and a paintbrush. You likely visit the App Store often as it's your primary gateway for downloading and updating apps, but today our focus is on redeeming your gift card. Next, you'll want to locate your profile icon. It's positioned right on the top right-hand side of the App Store screen. Tap on it. This section is central to personalizing your experience, as it contains essentials like your app updates, purchased apps, and crucially, your account settings. Once you're in your profile, scroll a bit to find an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Go ahead and tap that. This is where the magic of converting a gift card into digital currency happens. It's a straightforward process, but key to unlocking the value of your card. After selecting this option, you'll see a couple of ways to proceed. Look for the option that says, you can also enter your code manually. You'll want to choose this method if your gift card doesn't have a scannable QR code or if you just prefer inputting the details yourself. Now, simply type in the code. Be sure to enter it precisely as it appears on your gift card, including any differentiating capitalization or special characters. It's important to double-check this input to avoid any typos which could delay your transaction. Once you've entered your code correctly, tap on Redeem, and your account will be credited with the funds from your Apple gift card. Now, these funds can be spent on in-game purchases in Clash of Clans or for any other app-related purchases. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added your Apple gift card funds to your account, ready to enhance your Clash of Clans experience. Remember, you can repeat these steps whenever you receive a new gift card or even want to gift yourself with some credit. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're excited to use those funds wisely. Enjoy your time in the game and happy clashing. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to check out other guides to enhance your gaming experiences.